Hello guys, welcome to another sit down video. I got scammed. Yes, that's right, I got scammed. All you Pulsar GTiR owners, you can get scammed too. This is actually a big warning. Basically, this is a warning video. And this is all legit, like I'm not joking around. It's not fun. It's not fun to be scammed. Was actually legit scammed. So, what was I scammed about? Pulsar. The Pulsar GTiR. What an epic car it is. One of those rare 90s JDM classics, all-wheel drive turbo. And one of the many quirks of the Pulsar GTiR is, of course, the umbrella in the door. Yeah, really rare thing. Very hard to get a hold of these days, actually. What's this? Oh, do I have an umbrella? No, I don't. This is a fake one. This is the thing I got scammed on. Now, it's not actually fake, right? It was sold as a replica. Now, I'm not going to name where it came from specifically. I'm not going to link it or anything like that. But I will say, if you were to search for Nissan Pulsar GTiR Replica umbrella, it's the only Facebook group that has it, basically. So there you go, right? The owners of this group are... I mean, I'm happy to say it, scam artists. Now, whether you guys think, you know, they are unequivocally scamming people or they're just selling a shit product, either or, it's basically a scam, right? It's either a shit product or it's a scam. Or it's a bit of both, because I don't quite understand what happened. So this is supposedly a replica umbrella, right? Now, there are pictures. Let me just close this out. There are pictures of these umbrellas on this Facebook page, and they look good. They look really good, right? This, however, is a piece of trash. Now, this part, the umbrella part, fine. Like, I mean, it looks cheap. You know, I mean, it is cheap. It's probably going to break, you know, like... the ends aren't exactly the same as what they would be. There's nothing which makes it identical to what a Pulsar GTiR's umbrella would have been. Okay, that's important to note. Now, the thing which they show you in really blurred pictures is the Nissan logo on the end, right? Because you're like, oh, it's got to be Nissan. Because when you poke it out of the hole in the in the door, the umbrella holder, it's got to have that Nissan logo pop out. I mean, I'm sorry. What the fuck is this shit? This is a sticker. This is a sticker on not even a flat piece of wood. I can pick that off with my fingernail. I can pick this off with my fingernail. I paid £60 for this. Now I know there's a lot of people that are going, what are you talking about? Wait. These umbrellas go for like $500 in the States. New Zealand, they're selling for like $600-700 New Zealand dollars. They're really expensive because they're very rare. And if you really want an OEM car, a Pulsar GTiR, you do these things. You buy these things, right? So I know it sounds insane, but £60 for a replica seemed quite fair when the real thing is so expensive. Now it's not only the fact that this is just, I mean, it is literally a sticker. I cannot believe it's not even scented. You know, it's not even scented. They had the gall to put this on and label it as a Nissan replica umbrella, but it's not even that, guys. Right? It's made of wood. Oh, it just comes off, does it? Oh, that's really great. What fantastic quality is that? This story gets better, by the way, guys. This is not even half of it. This is nothing. I'm just showing you how shit the umbrella is. And then, guys, let's get some bad luck, shall we? Because I've had enough bad luck as it is. Look at this. It's on the piss. It's not even straight. You losers who sold this umbrella couldn't even fucking drill a hole properly. What is wrong with you, you muppets? What is this? It's well on the piss. Fucking absolute waste of space, right? There you go. So we can all agree that this is the biggest pile of shit of an umbrella ever, right? Is it worth £60? Fuck no. This is something you pay like £5 for something like this. This is a piece of legitimate trash. Now, let's put this piece of shit over there. Let's get on to, and I've got some questions for you guys as well, by the way, in a minute. But let's talk about why it's a scam, or why I think something's a little bit sus with this little Facebook page. How can you possibly have a Facebook page saying Replica GTiR umbrellas, right? And what, the GTiR community in the UK is tiny. So why are you selling such pieces of shit? Because surely it's going to get around pretty quickly. It's definitely going to get around now. Because when I make a GTiR video, there's, I don't know, close to 1,000 people that watch them. So it's definitely going to get around. And you are the only Facebook group, page, whatever, that sells them. So you're going to look absolutely like fools right now. Because that's a piece of shit. That is terrible. You should be embarrassed, right? That, you didn't even drill the hole right. How can you not drill the hole straight? Why does it come off? What are you doing? Why did you just put a sticker on it? It's a piece of shit. It is a piece of shit. Now, I don't have my Pulsar at the moment, so I don't even know if this fits. I bet you it doesn't even fit. I bet you it doesn't. But let's get on to why this is so weird. And it is weird. So I bought this, like, in August or something like that. It was ages ago. And we're in December, by the way. And it arrived in December. So I bought this ages ago. And there was just nothing for ages. Nothing. No updates, nothing. The occasional, like, there was one post saying, oh, guys, I confirmed they're going to be grey, just like the originals. Yeah. Oh, we're just waiting on handles, guys. You could have waited a bit longer just for them to drill the holes straight. You know, that would have been worth it, wouldn't it, you fucking idiots? And then nothing came through for ages, right? And then I was like, you know what, actually, to hell with this. We went through PayPal. I'll just tell PayPal I didn't get my money and get my money back. I was like, sod it. Like, I don't care. I don't want this piece of crap anymore. I'm sick of it, right? I think it's a scam. I think they were relying on people. This is my initial thought. I think they're relying on people to forget that they paid for it and they're going to just pocket the money. Because they're running all these weird competitions and weird raffles. They're one of those weird Facebook pages that do raffles, but it's a Facebook page about something else. What are you doing? That's like me having a car channel and then suddenly on this car channel teaching you how to make some focaccia. You'd be like, what are you doing? And then doing a raffle of some focaccia. You'd be like, what are you doing? Anyway, and so anyway, cancelled it, got my money back, all refunded. They would have been notified about this. That's how PayPal works. They would have been notified at all. The very next day, a full 24 hours later, they then post the umbrella. Why are you posting the umbrella? Do you see how this is very strange? They would have been told, and their money would have been taken off them, and then they posted the umbrella. What are you doing, you absolute bunch of plums? Very strange. And then proceeded to message saying, well, you've got a refund and the umbrella. What are you going to do? Are you going to send it back? It's like, if you pay for postage, yes. You sent the umbrella when it had been refunded. At that point, the transaction was done. You shouldn't have sent the umbrella. So basically, I've got this piece of shit umbrella for free by the looks of it right now. Because if PayPal comes to me and is like, well, what's going on? I'd just be like, they sent it when the refund was approved. I didn't want it. Literally, didn't want it. I wanted my money. And then they still sent the piece of crap umbrella. Very strange. Quite weird. Definitely a scam. Something suspect going on anyway, at the very least. So what I'm going to ask you guys now, does anyone know how to make this a legit replica umbrella? Does anyone have some I don't know, like a 3D printer that they can make a better handle out of? Maybe emboss Nissan on there and paint it. You know, this is just a piece of wood. I mean, I can epoxy resin it so it stays in. But I don't want this piece of crap anymore. You know, but I mean, it's for free, isn't it? Like, I've got this now for free because I got my money back. So, anyone got any ideas? Anyone want to help me try and fix it? Let me know. I mean, this is just, it is a joke. I can't believe how, like, on the piss it is. How just it goes up. Look at that. Look at that. What a joke. Anyway, so can anyone help me? Does anyone have an umbrella for sale? Let me know. Has anyone had any experience with this piece of crap group? Let me know. Love to hear any and all of your thoughts. Again, sorry that this is another sit-down video. There's lots of updates coming about the Pulsar, but I can't do them just yet. So we are just doing I needed. That's happened quite a while ago, so I needed to do an update on that anyway. By the way, just to let you know as well, see this t-shirt here, all sort of, you know, retro Japanese. Let me stand up. We've got like some retro Japanese t-shirt. Cool t-shirt, right? We are getting some channel merch in this style, but specific to the Pulsar and the R32 GTiR. You guys are going to absolutely love it. So please do stay tuned for any and all of that down below. Again, in this style, you guys are going to absolutely love it. I promise you. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. Cheers. Take care.